We got a question. Do you ever wonder if the universe itself is just code? Like the Matrix, if you're plugged into a computer simulation where everything you see, feel, and believe is just ones and zeros? If you think that's crazy, stay with me. There are some pretty good arguments for why reality could be fake, and I'm going to lay them all out right now. But first, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps us out, and you can always change your mind later. Now let's get started. The simulation hypothesis. Let's say our universe is a simulation, a reality that appears real but isn't. Think of it like a video game where you control a character. In the game, everything that character sees and feels is real to them, just like our universe is real to us. So if we can't perceive the boundaries of our own universe, how would we know? We'd think it's real because it's all we've ever known. That's called the simulation hypothesis, and it's surprisingly popular among scientists. Signs we might be in one. The idea that our universe is a simulation isn't as crazy as it sounds. Here's 3 reasons why some experts actually believe it. The universe runs on rules, or code. Everything we experience seems to follow a set of rules, like gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces. These rules allow physicists to model and predict natural phenomena. In other words, the universe behaves consistently, which suggests it might be following a program. Reality has a resolution limit. When you zoom out, the universe looks smooth and continuous. But when you zoom in, space looks pixelated, like a low-resolution video game. Space has a smallest possible length called the Planck length, and anything smaller than that, we currently can't measure. That's a hard limit on what we can observe. It's kind of like a video game where the camera can only render so much detail. Quantum particles don't exist until observed. This is called the observer effect. Subatomic particles can be in multiple states at once, like a video game character that can be in 2 places at once. But when we try to measure their position, they collapse to a single state. In other words, they only exist when we're looking at them. This seems to support the idea that reality is being rendered on demand, just like a video game. So if these signs point to our universe being fake, then who made it? Real people who believe it. Surprisingly, a lot of intelligent people have taken this question seriously. Elon Musk said there's a 1,000,000,000 chance we're in base reality. That means he thinks we might be living in a simulation. Other scientists like physicists Nick Bostrom and Neil deGrasse Tyson have also explored the idea. Why did they entertain this idea? Because the math works. Some equations used to describe reality break down at certain scales. It suggests there might be a limit to how much we can know about the universe. And if we can't know how the universe began, then we can't know if it's real or not. So the question of whether we're in a simulation might be unanswerable. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't ask the question. If it's true, then what? If reality is fake, who made it? Maybe a higher level of intelligence created our universe for their amusement. Maybe it's just a side effect of advanced technology. Or maybe we did it ourselves, a civilization from the far future. If our universe is just a simulation, it would be the greatest discovery in human history. But it also raises new questions. Why are we here? What's the purpose of this simulation? Who's running it? Could there be people watching us? Maybe they're testing us. Or maybe we're just data points in a grand experiment. If that's true, then everything we do matters more, not less. You're not just a character in a story, you're an active participant. Every decision you make, every choice you have, it's being watched, measured, and maybe even tested. And maybe you were meant to ask this very question. Why this changes everything. If the universe is fake, if reality is just code, then every line of code, every bit of data, every frame of the simulation is an opportunity for something new to happen, a chance for a different outcome. It means the universe is always changing, always evolving, always responding to our actions. In a way, it makes the universe more real, not less. Because if the universe is just code, then everything you do matters, and maybe that's the point. If the universe is a simulation, it's the most beautiful, complex one ever created, and you get to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. MindMorsels, where reality gets debunked. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and watch another.